Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today we're going to be looking at some storage. So I've been sent this storage to have a look at, which came from Sana Direct but via Amazon. Let's get it out of the plastic and have a look. Let's get rid of the horrible crinkly plastic. There we go. Right, so which way up we're going? This way. So you can see we've got a nice carry handle that expands if you want to do some diamond painting on the go, or even if you just, you know, for ease of storage, for grabbing it off a shelf, stuff like that. Always nice. Little pop of colour around the edge. Similar in design to my existing storage that I have, which is all purple. This one is like a bright, like a hot pink or a fuchsia. So we've got double zips, which is always nice, especially for a lefty like me. And then let's look inside. So we've got really nice storage compartment up here. It comes with, this is great, let's have a look. So we've got a little white dish, probably really good for, like, you know, using it as a trash pot. We've got the moss for boat, sort of your standard white boat. We've got a sheet of stickers, always useful. I'm always after, oh goodness, 2 sheets of stickers, fab. We've got the large white boat. This one's got a little, like a little drawbridgey bit that pops in to stop them coming out. It is it the same size? Oh no, gosh. So it's bigger than the purple one that I've got, which works slightly differently. That's got sort of a pull down bit. So yeah, this is officially now my largest boat. So lovely. I should look forward to trying that. And 2 pairs of plasticky tweezers. I won't use these just because I have plenty of metal tweezers and I prefer using them. However, once I've got a bunch of these, I tend to donate them to schools, craft clubs. There's always somebody that can make use of them, so they're not going to go to waste. And then we've also got brown stickers, perfect for going onto the actual storage pots themselves. So let's have a look. So we've got 60. So yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, so 10 rows of 6. They are good size. Screw top, so you're not going to lose anything. Yeah, and they sit nicely in this foam insert, so nothing's going to jiggle around. You're not going to lose anything. That one wasn't done up. But yeah, that's really nice. As I say, it's very similar to the sort of thing I've been using already. So for instance, yeah, so these are probably the same size. Yeah, same size bottles. Really great. They hold a surprisingly large amount. If I can find out either weight or number of diamonds, I'll pop it on the screen so that you know how much they hold. But certainly, I mean, a 60 case is, or 60 bottle case, I should say, is plenty for most paintings. Even the biggest paintings I've done, I think I've had around 54 colours maximum. I don't think I've ever done a 60 colour painting, but obviously it does mean that, you know, with colours that you have a lot of, you can always do 2 pots. So this is really lovely and incredibly reasonable. Currently on Amazon at $17.99, which, and then free Prime delivery. So absolute bargain for all the little bits and pieces as well. Yeah, really lovely. I am very grateful to Sana Direct for sending this to me to review. Really lovely. And I will also pop a link to my previous unboxing where I unboxed some of the diamond paintings. So, short and sweet today. I hope if you've enjoyed looking at some storage solutions, then do let me know down in the comments. And I've got several different storage boxes that I could show you, talk about, compare. Yeah, let me know if this is something that you want me to make into a sort of a mini series, if you like. So I am going to leave it there. As always, please do consider leaving a like if you enjoy my videos, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.